Okay, so far we've done everything we needed to do with regard to measurement of formative and reflective models, uh, except for the MICOM. Okay, so for the MICOM procedure, we will have to compare groups. So what matters here is that we have two groups. That's good if they are about the same size. It's something that's similar to MGA, but it's a different algorithm. Okay, multi-group analysis, but a different algorithm. So here there are three parts. It's very reminiscent of what you would do in CBSEM. The first part is to assess configural invariance. And here we have nothing to do as far as SmartPLS is concerned. We just want to make sure that we use the same indicators, the same treatment, the same algorithm for both groups. So for us, it's students and non-students. Okay, I'm pretty sure we did a great job. We could verify, but we did a great job. Then that's where the stats uh, uh, begin. We will measure compositional invariance by comparing original correlation with a quartile. And so we will then bootstrap that 5,000 times, and we will see if it's a significant difference. Okay. Uh, and last step, the third step, composite equality. We will do that by comparing in a similar way the mean original difference and the variance original differences, and same thing by comparing the sample with the fifth quantile. Okay, so it looks a little bit complex, but it's actually very easy to do in SmartPLS4. First things first, though, our data set, we need to generate groups because we need two groups. And I had a variable about students and non-students, so we will use that one. Apply. Oh, I already did it once. I already did it. So I'm going to delete those. It doesn't matter which one I delete here. All right. So we have group one, group two. That's my overall sample here. Now I'm going to go to, excuse me, SDG short, calculate, and here I'm going to take the permutation multi-group analysis. Okay. And here I'm going to do factor because that's what I'm interested in. Group one is group one, group two is group two. Actually, 1,000 permutation is probably fine. And start. I'll pause the video because it's going to be pretty long. All right, it ran. So here, what really matters is the MICOM output. What we see here is that we don't have any issue with step 2. Okay, to bring back my configural invariance, we can say that we have compositional invariance. Okay, we had configurational and compositional invariance. So perfect. And now let's see if we have full composite equality. And in order to do that, we're going to look at this one. Perfect. Step 3a, that compares the mean. And here variance, perfect. So here what we can conclude is that as far as we can tell, there is no difference between our groups. And so that's good to go for the measurement model. We have full invariance, we could say. Now we can do the same with SDG long. So I think I already have my two groups. Calculate, permutation, group 1 and group 2. So perfect, that's what we call them. And run. Oh, PLS setup factor. Okay, we're good. I'm going to pause it. Okay, it ran. And MICOM, all good. We have an issue here with environment. So we can see that we do not have full invariance, we have partial invariance. And same thing here with this one, even though this one is probably not as big a deal because it's just one variable. So we could conclude at partial invariance here of the model. All right, that's it for now.